Hi, David. Do you have a minute?
Sure, Emma. What's up?
The weather looks nice this weekend. I was thinking about having a picnic.
A picnic? That sounds great.
Yes, I haven't had a picnic in a long time.
Me neither. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking about Green Park.
Green Park is a good idea. It's clean, and there is a lot of space.
Yes, and it's not too far from town.
That's true. When do you want to go?
How about Saturday?
Saturday works for me.
Great. What time should we meet?
Maybe around 10 o'clock in the morning?
That sounds good. We can enjoy the whole day.
Yes, and it won't be too hot in the morning.
Exactly.
How will we get there?
I can drive.
Really? That would be helpful.
No problem. I have room in my car.
Great. Then we can bring more things.
That's what I was thinking.
What should we bring?
Well, we need food, drinks, and a picnic blanket.
Yes, those are the most important things.
I can bring sandwiches.
Perfect. What kind of sandwiches?
Maybe chicken sandwiches and cheese sandwiches.
That sounds delicious.
What about drinks?
I can bring drinks.
Really? Thanks.
No problem. I'll bring water and orange juice.
Good idea. It's important to drink water.
Especially if it's warm outside.
That's true.
Should we bring some snacks too?
Yes, definitely.
What kind of snacks do you like?
I like chips and cookies.
Me too.
Can you bring some cookies?
Sure. I'll bring cookies.
Great. I'll bring chips.
Sounds like a plan.
Do we need fruit?
Fruit is always a good idea.
I can bring apples and bananas.
Perfect. Those are easy to carry.
Exactly.
Should we invite anyone else?
I was thinking about that.
Maybe we can invite Sarah.
Yes, Sarah enjoys outdoor activities.
Should we invite Mark too?
Sure. Mark likes picnics.
Okay. I'll send them a message later.
Thanks.
What if they can't come?
That's okay. We can still go.
Yes, of course.
A picnic for two people is still fun.
Definitely.
What should we do at the park?
We can eat, talk, and relax.
That sounds nice.
We could also take a walk.
Good idea.
There is a small lake in the park.
Oh yes, I remember.
The view is beautiful there.
Then we should walk around the lake.
Agreed.
Should we bring a ball or a game?
That's a good question.
Maybe a frisbee?
A frisbee would be fun.
I have one at home.
Then bring it.
Okay, I will.
Have you checked the weather forecast?
Yes, I checked it this morning.
What does it say?
Sunny and warm.
That's perfect picnic weather.
It really is.
Is there any chance of rain?
Only a small chance.
That's good.
But we should still be prepared.
What do you mean?
Maybe bring a small umbrella.
That's smart.
Better safe than sorry.
I agree.
Do you think we need anything else?
Let me think.
Okay.
Maybe some paper plates and napkins.
Oh yes. We almost forgot.
They will be useful.
I'll bring those too.
Thanks.
No problem. I think that's everything.
Yeah. I'm excited about Saturday.
Me too.
It will be nice to spend time outdoors.
Yes, and it will be relaxing.
We both need a break from work.
That's true.
By the way, where should I meet you?
You can come to my house.
What time?
Around 9:30.
Okay. Then we can leave together.
Exactly.
How long does it take to get to the park?
About 20 minutes.
That's not bad.
No, it's a short drive.
Perfect.
I'll prepare the sandwiches on Friday night.
That will save time.
Yes.
I'll buy the drinks and cookies after work on Friday.
Great. Let's check our list again tomorrow.
Good idea.
Well, thanks for helping plan everything.
You're welcome.
I'm really looking forward to the picnic.
Me too.
See you on Saturday morning.
See you on Saturday.
Have a good evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.